Gently rub your palms. Place them on your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Let's start the session with stretches. Feet apart. Interlock your fingers up. Stretch your arms. Look little up. Come on your toes. Breathe in. 1. Breathe in up. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Very good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right side. Make sure your arms are straight. Breathe in center. Breathe out left side. Breathe in center. Breathe out right side. Breathe in center. Breathe out left side. Breathe in center and relax. Okay, relax your arms. Rotate your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, head up. Stay. Breathe out, head down. Stay. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, head down very slowly. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Rotate your neck. Breathe in up. Very slowly. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up anti-clockwise. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. And breathe out down. Okay? Relax now, everyone. Close your eyes. Relax for 2 breaths. Then open your eyes. Very good. Next one, side bends, feet little apart. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Feel the stretch sidewards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in and relax. Very good. Join your feet. Okay. Lift up your right leg up, side, down, up, side, down. Very good for your knees. Up, side, down. Change your leg. Up, side, down. Up, side, down. Up, side, down. Very good. Stretch your ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, Kati Chakrasana. Spread your hands. Breathe in. Breathe out back. Breathe in. Go very slow. Breathe out back. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out back. And relax. Very good. Okay, relax, everyone. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. First of all, raise your hands. Stretch your arms up. Bend forward. Simaji, as much as possible. If you are having back pain, just bend as much as possible. Close your eyes. Press the chin to chest. Stay. Feel the blood flow towards the brain. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Inhale up and relax. Very good. Okay. Now, feet apart. Everyone, spread your hands in front and sit in chair pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come up. Very good. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come up. Third round. Breathe in. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come up and relax. Feet apart. Very good. Breathe in. Hands up. And then bend forward. Okay. Now make sure your legs and hands should be in one line. Your forehead should face to the floor. Close your eyes. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If possible, you can place your palm down and then feel the stretch in your hamstring. Stay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly, slowly support your body. Legs at the center. Breathe in up and relax. Very good. Okay. Now some balancing asanas. In this balancing asana, we'll just start. First one is Nataraj pose. Breathe in, left leg forward. Hold the right leg. Stretch your legs. And then other hand in Chin Mudra. You can look at your hands or you can take the wall support. Very good. And relax. Very good. Chain the leg. Now I'll show you with the wall support. Very good. Right leg forward. Take the wall support. Okay. Hold the left ankle. And then other hand in Chin Mudra. And stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, everyone, feet apart. Join your hands and then sit in Malasana. It's a very good asana for ladies. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in, expand your abdomen. Breathe out, contract. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, contract. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, contract. And relax. Very good. Join your feet. Relax. Try to flap your knees. Butterfly pose, and in Hindi it is called Titli Asana. Breathe in, breathe out. Close your eyes. Focus at the chest center. Open your chest. Smile on your face. Feel the stretch in your pelvic region, in your thighs. Keep flapping. Seemaji, if you are having lower back pain, you can relax. Very good. It releases the tension from your abdomen muscles, thighs, knees. It's a chest opener also. It gives strengthening to your spine. Breathe in and relax. Okay, and then go to Vajrasana. Very good. Vajrasana. Breathe in. Hands up. And then bend forward. Go to your tummy. Okay. Lie down on your stomach. And then join your feet. Chin on the floor. Breathe in. Go to Cobra pose. Stay. 1, 2. Simaji, you can go down if you are having pain. 3, 4. Focus at the chest center. 5. And relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Second round, breathe in up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Third round, breathe in up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Relax for 2 breaths. Aroji, am I visible? If I'm not visible, you can give me WhatsApp video call. I'll just attend that and we'll open the WhatsApp video call and do the practice. Okay? Let me just know. Now everyone, hold your legs. Open your legs. Hold the ankles. And chin on the floor. Bow pose. Very good for your immunity. Everyone, lift up your legs and head up. Close your eyes. Focus at the chest center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out and relax. Seemaji, if you are having pain, you can be in Saral Bhujangasana like this only. Okay? This is called Saral Bhujangasana. Easy Cobra pose. People having lower back pain. And then stay up, take rest after 5 seconds. Others, please try bow pose. Stretch your legs. Feel the stretch in your chest, in your neck, in your stomach, thighs. Close your eyes. Focus at the chest center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out and relax. Okay. Now we will just do Setu Bandhasana. Everyone lie down on your back. Wait a minute. I'll just keep my camera in a horizontal way. Araji, please confirm, am I visible? You can open your camera, no problem. Okay. Now everyone fold your legs. Try to touch the heels. Okay. And then close your eyes. Lift up your hips. As long as up and as high and try to touch the chin to chest. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. People having lower back pain will not stay longer than 2 seconds. But People who are healthy can stay as long as possible. So, second round, breathe in, stay, adjust your shoulders, breathe in, breathe out, close your eyes, focus at the chest center, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Very good. Third round, breathe in, lift up your hips. You can interlock your hands at the back. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good asana for people having abdominal problem, chest problem, or lungs problem, or heart problem. Should avoid it, but very good for your brain also. Okay, because the blood flow goes to your brain. It strengthens your knees also and gives strengthening to your pelvic region, your abdominal muscles, and your back also. Breathe in and relax in Shavasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly turn your body towards the left side and giving support to your body. Sit in Sukhasana. Very good. Breathe in, breathe out. We'll just practice one more asana that is called Vakrasana. Okay, it's a very good asana for your immunity. Okay. So spread your legs. Sit in Dandasana, everyone. Spine straight, palms nicely on the floor. Roll over your shoulders to keep your spine straight. Fold your left leg. Very good. Support your body with the left hand. Fine. Bring your right hand towards the left side and try to hold the ankle of your left hand and look behind. Breathe in, breathe out, close your eyes, focus at the chest center. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now bring your right hand to your right side and relax. The same thing with left hand. Roll over your shoulders up. Fold your right leg. Okay. Bring your left hand towards the right side. Support your body with the right hand. And close your eyes. Look behind. Focus at the chest center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And now little advance. You can just touch your left knee. Okay, if possible. Otherwise, modifications. You can hold the knee. You can hold the ankle. Okay. Or you can be like this only. No problem. But main thing is to look behind. Feel the twist in your back. Okay. Main thing is to feel the twist. Okay. Hand can be anywhere. And relax. Okay. Very good for your chest. Very good for your lungs. Your heart. Okay. Very good for people having thyroid, diabetes, or any abdominal problem. Okay. Now, everyone sit in Sukhasana. Seemaji, if you are having problem, you can go to chair. Okay. Okay, fine. So, sit in Sukhasana. Close your eyes. Get ready for pranayama. Breathe in. Focus at the eyebrow center. Join your hands and chant the pranayama mantra. Om Pranasthidam Vase Sarvam Tridiveya Pratishthitam Madeva Putrana Rakshasva Sri Chu Pragyana Cha Videhinati. We are praying to Prana, O vital energy, save us as a mother protect her son. Oh, oh, oh. Gently rub your palms. Place them on your eyes. And open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Hands in Chin Mudra. What is Chin Mudra? Touch your index finger and thumb very gently. And then keep them on the knees. Spine straight. Close your eyes. And then let's start chanting. Om. This Om chanting calms down your mind, relax anxiety, and reduce the stress. Give you positive attitude. Breathe in and breathe out. Keeping your eyes closed, we will start Kapalbhati Kriya. What is Kapalbhati Kriya? You have to focus on exhalation part only, as if you're clearing your nose. You can keep your hands at the abdomen to feel the flap. First 5 rounds, we can just feel the flap. How? And then complete your 30 counts for beginners. Advanced one, you can continue with the 60, 60, 60, 3 rounds. Okay? It's upon your strength only. So we will complete 50 counts. Okay? Breathe in and start. Breathe in. People having lower back pain should stop after first round and relax in Sukhasana. Otherwise, you can complete your 3 rounds of Kapalbhati Kriya, 50-50 counts. Breathe in. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. And now start the third round. Breathe in Complete your third round. Very good. And after completing your third round, just relax for 2 breaths, keeping your eyes closed. Just normalize your breath. Very good. Rub your palms. Place them on your eyes. And open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Now we will start Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, which is a very good pranayama for everyone. Okay, it just reduces the tension, anxiety and stress. It removes the blockages from your chest to brain, calms down your mind. Okay, so there is no contraindication, everyone can do it. So what to do? Fold your 2 fingers, index finger and middle finger, and close your right nostril with the thumb. Breathe in with left. Close your left and breathe out with right. Breathe in with right. Close the right. Breathe out with left. Breathe in with left. Close the left. Breathe out with right. Breathe in with right. Breathe out with left. So we have done 2 rounds. In the same way, complete your 10 rounds of Nadi Shodhana on your own. Hope I am clear, Aravji. Lakshmi ji, we have started Nadi Shodhana. Please complete your 10 rounds of Nadi Shodhana on your own. Breathe in with left. Breathe out with right. Breathe in with right. Breathe out with left. In this way, we are making pairs. Inhalation, exhalation from another. From the same nostril, inhale again and leave it to the another nostril. Okay? Fine. So complete your 10 rounds on your own. I'll not disturb you. You can just add extra 10 counts also. Complete your 10 rounds RFG because I don't know your name. Okay? Yeah. So I'll wait for you. Close your eyes, everyone. and relax, keeping your eyes closed. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Next pranayama is Shitali pranayama. In Shitali pranayama, we will roll our tongue outside. Everyone just complete your 5 rounds of Shitali pranayama. I'll explain this to the newcomers. Okay, what is the Shitali pranayama? You have to make a pipe with your tongue. How? Keep it outside. Make a, yes, exactly. Okay, then roll your tongue outside. Breathe in with your mouth only, with the pipe only. Breathe in deeply. And after inhalation, close your mouth. And then exhale from your nose. Okay? If you have any doubts, please unmute and say. Understood? Thumbs up? Okay, very good. So roll your tongue outside. Breathe in. Close your mouth. Breathe out with nose. Go very slow, third round. Close your mouth and exhale from your nose. Fourth round. Breathe in deeply and then exhale from your nose. Now you can keep your eyes closed. Feel the coolness. Close your eyes, everyone. Fifth round. Exhale from your nose. This pranayama, this is the breast pranayama, which gives you calmness to your mind, reduce the stress level, and release the extra heat from your body. Okay, you can feel the coolness in your mouth. Thumbs up, everyone. Very good. So now, next pranayama is Shitkari pranayama. The benefit of Shitkari is same. Okay, everyone just complete your 5 rounds of Shitkari pranayama. I'll explain what is the way to do to the newcomers. Okay, so what to do? You have to open your teeth, widen as much as possible. E. Show me your teeth and breathe in now. Produce the she sound. Okay, how? Then close your mouth. And then exhale from your nose. Done? Show me thumbs up. Very good. Okay, in the same way, complete your 3 rounds of Shitkari pranayama. Let's start. Close your eyes. Focus at the mouth. Okay. Breathe in. Focus at the coolness you are gaining. Open your teeth, widen. E. Breathe in. Close your mouth. Feel the coolness in your tongue, in your teeth, in your lips. And exhale. Third round. Feel the coolness and exhale from your nose. Relax now. Close your eyes. You feel very calmness. Rub your palms. Rub, everyone. And then place them on your eyes. And open your eyes. A beautiful smile. Okay, I'll come closer because I need to explain the Shanamukhi Mudra too. The newcomers. Okay, others, please start Bhramari Pranayama and complete your 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama on your own. Okay, so what is Bhramari Pranayama? We have to make one Shanamukhi Mudra with our hands. Okay, and then we have to produce Makar chanting while exhalation time. जब आप exhale करेंगे तो आपको मकार ऐसे buzzing sound निकालना, ठीक है? Understood? Fine. What to do? आपकी इंडेक्स फिंगर को आईब्रोज के ऊपर रखेंगे लाइक दिस, है ना? मिडिल फिंगर को लोअर आईलेट के पास में रखेंगे, रिंग फिंगर को नोज के पास रखेंगे एंड लिटिल फिंगर को लिप्स के पास रखेंगे और everyone complete your Bhramari Pranayama. Mute your mic. Nindita ji, 2 more rounds. If you have done, then okay, complete 2 more rounds. Otherwise, complete your 5 rounds. Lakshmi ji, done? Okay, okay, fine. You can just chant Om. ठीक है, जब तक अभी और सारे join हो जाएं, we'll start then meditation. Okay. Okay. Hope you have done Bhramari Pranayama. अभी आज एक नई कोई ऐड हुई है तो उनको थोड़ा समझाना पड़ता है, ठीक है? उसके बाद में स्मूथ हो जाएगा सब. If she will come, I'll explain again. ठीक है? So everyone will just practice rhythmic breathing जब तक वो आती है, नहीं तो फिर meditation के बीच में आएंगी तो उनका रह जाएगा इसलिए, है ना? Hope everyone is comfortable in rhythmic breathing. I think she will come and I have to explain again. Okay? Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Everyone close your eyes. Focus at the inhalation of lungs and exhalation of and contraction of lungs. Okay? Expansion of lungs and contraction of lungs. 1 minute. हाँ ठीक है. I think मेरा recording stop हो गया था. Close your eyes, everyone. Focus at the lungs. Inhalation पे expansion of lungs, exhalation पे contraction of lungs. This is called mindfulness breathing. Okay? When you will divert your mind to your lungs, you will forget everything and reduce the stress. Okay? That's why in this way you can say it reduces the stress. Okay? Breathe in. Focus at the lungs. Feel the expansion. Hold your breath for 2 seconds. Breathe out, contract. Exhale fully. Breathe in. Very good exercise for your lungs. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Then everyone lie down on your mat. We'll just practice muscle relaxation. In muscle relaxation, I'll just guide you what to do, and then you have to follow the instructions. Okay. Everyone, close your eyes. Spine straight. Hands beside your body, 5 or 6 inches away from the body. Palms facing to the sky. Nose pointing to the ceiling. Toes falling apart. Breathe in and breathe out. You can dim your lights, remove the spectacles. Now, crunch your toes tightly, breathe in and relax. Crunch your toes tightly and relax. Stretch your ankles. Breathe in and relax. Crunch your toes tightly. Breathe in and relax. Crunch your toes and relax. Tighten your full legs. Breathe in and relax. Tighten your full legs tightly and relax. Tighten your hip muscles. Breathe in and relax. Tighten your hip muscles tightly and relax. Crunch your stomach inside and relax. Crunch your abdomen inside and relax. Tighten your fist. Breathe in. Keep tightening, keep tightening, keep tightening. And relax. Open your fist. Tighten your fist tightly. And relax. Open your hands. Tighten your fist. Breathe in. And relax. Try to touch the shoulder blades behind. Lift up your chest. Tighten your shoulders. And relax. Now lift up your shoulders. Breathe in. And relax. Lift up your shoulders and relax. Tighten your neck muscles and relax. Tighten your neck muscles and relax. Crunch your face and relax. Crunch your face and relax. Just relax for 5 breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, focus at the lower part and chant. Middle part. Ooh. Top of the head. Lower part. Just relax for 5 breaths. Now, move your fingers, your toes, your shoulders, your legs, and then turn your body towards the right side and stay there for 2 breaths. Now, giving support to your body with your hands, slowly sit in Sukhasana, keeping your eyes closed. Join your hands. Let's bless the world with this calm state of mind. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Now keep your hands on the chest. Let's repeat the positive affirmations with me. I'm relaxed. I'm blessed. I'm happy. I'm healthy. I'm confident. I'm blessed. I'm a peaceful soul. Rub your palms. Smile on your face. Close your eyes. And open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Thank you so much. Now, clap your hands hardly. Laugh with me. Thank you so much. Hope you like the session.